Hey, listen. Have you ever felt like there's this invisible force holding you back? Like your own thoughts are whispering doubts, telling you you're not ready, not good enough, or that it's just too hard. That's the weak mind talking. It's that part of you that prefers comfort over challenge, fear over growth. It's the voice that keeps you stuck right where you are. But here's the truth, that voice isn't the real you. It's a pattern, a habit, something you can absolutely change. You have the power to break free from its grip, right now. How do you know it's the weak mind? It shows up when you think about starting that project, hitting the gym, having that tough conversation, or chasing that big dream. It says things like, maybe tomorrow, or what if you fail? It tells you to play it safe, to stay small. It thrives on your fears and insecurities. It makes excuses for you. It justifies procrastination. It convinces you that staying comfortable is the smart choice, even when deep down, you know it's not. This weak mindset isn't just annoying, it's actively limiting your potential. It prevents you from taking risks that could lead to incredible rewards. It keeps you from learning and growing because it tells you to avoid anything difficult. It shrinks your world and makes your dreams feel impossible. Think about all the times you've wanted to do something great, but that voice talked you out of it. That's the cost of letting the weak mind lead. Breaking free starts with a decision. A conscious choice to stop listening to that limiting voice and to start listening to the stronger, braver part of yourself. It's deciding that you are no longer going to be ruled by fear or comfort. You are going to choose growth, challenge, and courage instead. This decision isn't always easy, but it is always possible. It's available to you in every single moment. So, how do you actually do it? How do you break that weak mind right now? It starts with action, no matter how small. Identify one thing that the weak mind is telling you to avoid today. Maybe it's sending that email, doing 15 minutes of exercise, or working on that creative project. Now do it anyway. Don't overthink it. Don't wait for motivation to strike. Just take that single, small step forward. Breaking the weak mind means getting comfortable with being uncomfortable. Growth happens outside of your comfort zone. When that voice tells you it's too hard, too scary, or too much effort, recognize it for what it is, resistance. And then push through it anyway. Lean into the discomfort. See it as a sign that you are challenging your limits and expanding your capabilities. Discomfort is the price of admission to a stronger mind. The weak mind is built on negative and limiting thoughts. To break it, you need to challenge those thoughts directly. When a thought like, "I can't do this," pops up, question it. Ask yourself, is that really true? What evidence do I have that I can't? Replace the negative thought with a more empowering one. Instead of, "It's too hard," try, "I can learn how to do this," or, "I'll take it one step at a time." Breaking the weak mind isn't a one-time event, it's a continuous practice. Every time you choose courage over comfort, action over procrastination, you build mental strength. Think of your mind like a muscle. The more you challenge it, the stronger it becomes. The more you give in to the weak voice, the weaker it gets. Consistency is key. Small, consistent actions taken despite resistance build incredible resilience over time. Don't wait for monumental tasks to challenge yourself. Celebrate the small wins. Did you get out of bed when you wanted to hit snooze? That's a win. Did you work on your project for 20 minutes even though you didn't feel like it? That's a win. Every time you defy the weak mind, you reinforce your strength. These small victories build momentum and confidence. They prove to yourself that you are capable of overcoming resistance. You will have days when the weak mind seems louder, when you slip back into old habits. That's okay. It's part of the process. Don't let a setback become a surrender. Recognize what happened, learn from it, and recommit to your decision to be stronger. Be kind to yourself, but be firm in your resolve. Get back on track immediately. The weak mind loves to tell you it's hopeless after a stumble. Don't believe it. Remember, you are not your thoughts. You are the awareness behind your thoughts. You have the power to choose which thoughts you listen to and which you act upon. The strength you need is already within you. It's waiting for you to access it, to unleash it. Breaking the weak mind is about tapping into that inner power. It's about realizing that you are capable of so much more than you currently believe. Your potential is limitless when you stop letting fear dictate your actions. Breaking the weak mind is a journey, not a destination. There will always be new challenges, new moments where that voice tries to creep back in. But with practice, you'll recognize it faster. You'll have the tools to challenge it. You'll have the confidence from past victories to know you can overcome it. This journey leads to incredible freedom. Freedom from self-doubt, freedom from procrastination, freedom to pursue your dreams with courage and conviction. If this message resonated with you, if you're ready to start breaking free from your weak mind and step into your power, then you're in the right place. Make sure you subscribe to Daily Positivity for more tools, inspiration, and support on your journey to becoming your strongest self. Hit that subscribe button now so you don't miss out. And I want to hear from you. What's one specific thing the weak mind is telling you to avoid today? Share it in the comments below and declare your intention to do it anyway. Let's support each other. Breaking your weak mind right now is about making a choice, taking action, and building resilience one small step at a time. You have the power within you to overcome resistance, challenge limiting beliefs, and live a life guided by courage, not fear. Start today. Choose strength. Your strongest self is waiting.